Go. Let's go get the mail. So cold.
Yeah, whatever. Read the letter.
It is an invite to Michaela's sleepover.
Ew, I'm not going.
Come on, it's the least we can do. Remember?
For what?
We bailed out on her on this dance, and we had to pick her up, but we didn't.
Okay.
So she ended up not going.
I guess I'm going.
Hey!
Hey, we're here.
Well, you really don't look too enthusiastic about that. Whatever, just come in.
Come on.
I got some food.
Really? You dropped my food and you gave me a baby plate? Wow.
Whatever. Are you okay?
Yeah, whatever. I just choked.
I hope you guys are liking the food. And just think, the party's just getting started. I'm gonna go put this away, alright? I'm gonna go get some games, and don't go anywhere. Maybe we should leave. Maybe we should leave. Starting to get a little fishy. When did you start coughing after you eat the peaches?
I don't know. It doesn't matter. If it gets worse, I'll just go see the doctor.
Alright. Hey! Great job, you guys are great listeners. No one went anywhere. Anyway, I got Picturica and I got headbands. Your choice.
Let's play Picturica.
Are you sure you don't want to play headbands? No. Is it because you don't want to put a lot of things in your head right now? 'Cause I'm pretty sure you already have things going on right now. Yeah, let's play headbands.
Okay?
I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Finally, Captain right where I want you.
What?
Time to get rid of the next one. Hey, where is Jackie? Oh, she had to go. It was a family emergency.
What happened? Maybe I should go.
No, we're just getting started. I'll make sure to call her as soon as you go to the game. Come on. I'll be right back. Thanks for coming to the sleepover.
Took a little
We'll
bit?
see this is over. It's time for me to go. Marika's done here.
Yeah.